Good morning, dear students. In our continuation with chapter number 3, Playing with Numbers, our next topic is Highest Common Factor. It is also known as HCF. H, C, and F. The highest common factor HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or the greatest of their common factors. What does it mean? When we find the common factors, we have to see the highest or the greatest number in between the common factors. It is also known as the greatest common divisor. And how we can short it form? Short form it is GCD, greatest common divisor. Now let's move to our exercise 3.6. Question number 1. Find the HCF. A part it is 18 and 48. Dear students, here you have to remember that we have to start it with the prime factors. When we have to do the factorization like this, we will start with the prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, we cannot start it with the 4 or 8 like this. This is wrong. From where we have to start? From the prime numbers. 2 like 3, 5 and 7. And always we start here with the smallest number. Now see, 18 is here. 18 will take, 18 is divisible by 2. So 2 will come here and 2 nines are 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. Now we'll check its divisibility by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now 3 1s are 3. Similarly, we'll calculate the prime factorization for 48. Now 48, you can see the last digit it is 8. So it will be divisible by 2. So what will come here? 24. Again the last digit it is 4. Again it will be divisible by 2. 12. Now 12 comes in table of 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now see here, factors for 18 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Factors for 48 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then multiplied by 3. Now in this we have to see which are the common factors. This one is common. Now no other 2 is here. What is next? It is 3. 3 is common in between this. So what will be our HCF? This we have made one pair and we will write it only once multiplied by, this is one pair and this 3 we will write only once. So it comes out to be 2 3s are 6. Now what is the HCF? It is of 18 and 48. It is 6. Now let's move to our part B. It is 30. Now again I have told you that we'll start with the smallest prime number. So smallest it is 2. No doubt 30 it is divisible by 3 also, but we will start it with the smallest. 2 into 15 is 30. Now 15 it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now 42. The factors for 42. Now see here, the last digit it is 2. So it will be divisible by 2. 21. Now 21 it is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Now factors for 32. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and factors for 42, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now see, this 2 is common and this 3 is also common. So what will be the HCF? It will be 2 multiplied by 3 and answer is 2 3s are 6. So what is the HCF? It is 6. Now let's move to the next part. It is E part 36. Now we know 6 6 are 36, but we cannot start it with the 6. We'll start it with the smallest number. We'll start it with the 2. Now 2 here. Now last digit is 6. We know it will be divisible by 2. 2 18s are 36. Again 2 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Now 84. You can see the last digit, it is 4. So it will be divisible by 2. If you don't know what answer will come, then you can divide. 2 4s are 8. 4 here. 2 2s are 4. Now what will come here? 42. Again divisible by 2. 21. 21 is not divisible by 2. It will be divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now the factors for 36 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Factors for 84 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now see here, which are the common numbers? This 2, again 2, and this 3. So what becomes the HCF? We'll write one pair. This becomes one pair of 2. So we'll write 1 2. Again this becomes one pair of 2. So we'll write 1 only, and 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. This is the answer. Now we'll move to our next part. It is the H part. Now 91. As you can see, the last digit, it is 1. So it will not be divisible by 2. And when we add 9 plus 1, it is 10. It will not be divisible by 3 also. So 91 will check its divisibility by 7. 5 also it is not divisible, as the last number is 1. So 7 1s are 7 and 21. 7 3s are 21. So 7 here and 13 here. 13 is a prime number. So 13 1s are 13. Now we'll find for 112. Last digit it is 2. So it will be divisible by 2. You can divide here and check. 2 5s are 10, then 12, 2 6 are 12. So what comes out here? 56. Again 56 is divisible by 2. It will come here 28. Again by 2 14. Again by 2 7. 7 1s are 7. Now 49. We know 7 7s are 49. And 1 here. Now we'll write the factors here. 7 into 13 of 91. Now of 112. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We have seen how many times 2 is there? 4 times. And then 7 and then 49. 7 multiplied by 7. Now we can see here this 7 is common among these three numbers. So what becomes our HCF? It becomes 7. We will write this 7 only one time. Now similarly our I part is 18. It will be divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Now 54. Again 54 is divisible by 2, as last number it is 4. So what will come here? If you don't know directly, you can divide it. 2 2s are 4, 14 2 7s are 14. So what will come here? 27, and 27 will be divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now 81. Last number is 1, so it will not be divisible by 2. It will be divisible by 3. We can check. 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 is divisible by 3. 3 here. If you don't know directly, you can divide it here. 3 2s are 6, 21. 3 7s are 21. So what will come here? 27. Now 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are 3. Now we'll write the factors. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and for 54 we'll write 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. How many times 3 is there? 1, 2 and 3. Now for 81, how many times the 3 is there? 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to find the common factors. Now see here, this 3 is common in all the numbers. Again one more 3 is common in the numbers. Now the 2 is common between 2, not in 81. So we cannot take this 2. And the last, this 3 is there, it is common between 54 and 81. But 18 does not have any extra 3 here. So we cannot take this 3 also. Now what becomes our HCF? It is 3 multiplied by 3. That is 9. And it's our answer. Thank you.